You know, every car enthusiast has the same thing in mind. They want the car to look good, sound amazing, and go fast. So of course, when you're working on the budget, like this budget build that I have in front of me right here, you're gonna need to take into account every penny you spend, because there's so much to do in this car to get it to look good, sound amazing, and go fast. So that's where the sponsors for today's video comes into play. We have teamed up with Flashark, and they have hooked us up with this brand new full catback exhaust for the 370Z. And let me tell you, the quality is there. So let's take a peek at the welds here, and you can see how well it is put together. There are no compromises to quality here. You can see everything looks like it's been TIG welded, looks very nice, and they fit good. I know they fit well because we have installed one on the G35 before, and now we're doing it to the 370Z. I mean, you get a lot of good stuff for a very affordable price. And if you use my promo code that I'm putting down in the screen right now, you get to have a percentage off. So if you're not convinced yet that this is a good quality exhaust, wait until you hear it once it's installed on that car, because I have the same one in this one. And look at this 370Z, look how beautiful it looks. I put a Flashark exhaust on here and it sounds amazing. I will run both cars later on in the end of the video, because that one has test pipes and this has cats, so you could hear and compare the difference in the sound. But we're gonna go ahead and tackle the removal and install of the exhaust on this guy.
The first thing to tackle was the W brace, and once we got that out of the way, we started working our way towards the front of the exhaust, and then we started moving our way towards the back and dropped the hangers, and before you knew it, we removed the exhaust just like that.
All right, so we have the stock exhaust versus the aftermarket one. Right from the beginning, we can see the diameter, the restriction here. You can see that the aftermarket has a bigger, wider pipe compared to the stock one. Overall, with performance, this is gonna perform more. It's gonna flow a lot better than the stock one. We can make our way back to the actual muffler itself. You have this big guy. Not only it's a lot heavier, it's gonna restrict a lot of that sound, a lot of the flow. It's gonna be restricted right here compared to this aftermarket exhaust, where it just flows individually instead of it going inside that muffler and being compressed and restricted in that muffler. All right, so this kit does come with the gaskets and all the bolts that you would need to install it. You can see we have the bolts right here in the gasket, and we have the gasket for the front right here. And on the stock cats on the 370Z, you actually have the studs already built into the cats. But since this vehicle has test pipes, I have to reuse the bolts for it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna reuse those bolts and the new gasket.
Here's another quick view of what the stock one looks compared to the aftermarket one. I just wanted to pan around the camera a little bit so you have a better idea of what you're getting when you order one of these exhausts, just in case you're in the market for one. And once again, we started at the front of the vehicle. We connected the front set of pipes and installed the gasket. And even though this video is time-lapse, it really took no effort whatsoever in installing this exhaust. Everything just fit right into place. There was no grinding, there was no struggling. It just fits the way it's supposed to. And that's one of the key features that I love about this exhaust. It just fits on with no problem. And here you can see the exhaust underneath the car, how well it looks. It really looks good. For the price, the quality, and the overall performance that you get out of it, it is on point. The key factors with the VQs, you're gonna have to remember that if you have test pipes, it's gonna be loud. If you have the stock cats, then it's gonna be quieter. So let's go ahead and compare the different exhaust tones. I'm getting ready to show you the 370Z, both of them side by side, the one with the cats and the one without the cats with the test pipes. And I got this new Flashark shirt that they sent me, so you got to check them out. Check out their website, check out everything they got going on. There's a promo code I'm going to be putting on the screen right now. If you use this promo code, you get a discount off. Now, in the beginning of this video, I mentioned that the 370Z, the one that I drive all the time, that one, I have a Flashark exhaust on it. Well, technically, it's not really a Flashark exhaust. I purchased it on eBay, and it's the same exact model. It looks exactly the same. But I actually paid a lot more. I paid around 600 bucks for this. So you could pick this up, the Flashark exhaust, right now for like under 400 bucks with my coupon, I believe. I'll double check the price right now and put it on the screen. So here we go. I decided to go to the website and check it out so I could show you guys in what the website looks like. And here you can see the 370Z exhaust. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the cart and go to check it out. You can see that the price is only $321, and that's with the safety guaranteed. This is kind of like a safety insurance. You could remove that if you don't want to have the insurance, but check this out. When you put the promo code PBuilds in there, it gives you such a massive discount that the exhaust actually becomes less than $300. You get a full catback exhaust for $271 with the insurance. Now you can remove the insurance and you can see how much cheaper it gets, but you get a lot of good for a very affordable price. And if you're on a budget, working on a budget like I am with this new project car, you want to pinch every single penny. You want to make sure that you have extra cash to get the wheels, to get the suspension, get the paint, get everything you need to get your car repaired and make it look good and go fast on the road. You don't want to be spending $1,000 on a exhaust just because it says Tomei. Those are like $2,000 or more. But anyways, those exhausts are excellent, but if you're working on a budget, this is the exhaust for you. Now, we're gonna go out there, we're gonna go listen to it, and then I'm gonna show you how the 370Z, how they look exactly the same, but I just ended up paying more because I did not know about Flashark. I have just recently started working with them. So let's go out there. I have the garage closed because it's loud. You wouldn't be able to hear me. Let's go, let's check it out. All right, first we'll do this one and then we'll jump on that one. The biggest thing you're gonna notice is on this one, since it has the test pipes, it's a lot louder and a lot more raspy. This has the stock cats and it's quieter, it's more subtle. So if you're looking for the quieter sound but you still want a deeper tone and performance, leave the stock cats. If you want them to be loud, get the test pipes. I believe they sell the test pipes in their website as well for from Flashark. But let's go and look and compare at the exhaust. This exhaust down here has been down here for about 3 years, maybe 3.5 years. And you can see it's exactly the same, but the only difference is where it bolts on right here, where this tip bolts on. I have a bolt here and a bolt there, but everything is the same. And I'll put a video right now of showing the rest of the exhaust because I don't want to lift that one up right now. And look at this, you see what I was saying? The design's exactly the same. It should sound very similar. And the tip, the bolt is here instead of in the two corners, which is fine. It still has the same burn tip like on this one. Okay, but I ended up paying a lot more for that exhaust compared to this one. But the difference is you don't have to, because now I'm telling you about Flashark. All right, so I just want to take this opportunity to thank Flashark. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me this exhaust. You reached out and you said, are you working on something else?
and I was working on something else. I'm always working on something. So thank you so much for sending this exhaust. We got to test it out in the channel today, and I got to share with you guys because you get some coupons, you get some discounts when you shop with Flashark and you use my promo code, and I'm putting it up on the screen once again. This is a Flashark exhaust, full catback. There's no compromises to quality. Even though the price is very affordable, trust me, it's a good exhaust. There's so many people using the exhaust everywhere right now. I have seen videos where the headers, I haven't tried out the headers myself, but I've seen videos where people are using 350 small block headers. There's a ton of products. You have to check out their website. They have a ton of different products. It's not only a full catback exhaust. They have lights. They have EGR, delete kits. There's a ton. You have to go check it out. Check them out. So remember, guys, help support the companies that support this channel. If you want to continue seeing this channel grow, as these companies come by and they give us promo codes, because you guys benefit from it and I benefit from it. So I also wanted to remind everyone that this is actually the second exhaust that we have from Flashark. We have a full catback exhaust for the G35, and that's a single exit exhaust. I do have the video. I'll put it down in the description in case you're interested in seeing what it sounds like. If you have a G35, you have to check that out. It sounds really good. There's a video that we put out in TikTok a while ago, and everybody went nuts over the G35's exhaust. Everyone preferred it over the 370Z and the G37. They liked the single exit exhaust. It sounded good to them. So check it out if you're interested. And remember, guys, we'll see you in the next one.